This location that Archaeology Cymru has just cleaned up today has been recovered from a moment in time of complete neglect. Archaeology Cymru has been here today. We've done a clean-up of a monument. And I say it's a monument, we can date it now from the date on the floor, from 1909 or 1907. GS created this, and we've got this wonderful seating arrangement and these wonderful steps going up, and we've got another date there, clearly 1907, whoever AML is, and we'll go up to these steps. Don't really want to give away this location, but I'm sure some people might be able to guess. But it's absolutely beautiful, and it's a pleasure to have done a bit for our landscape cleanup that we've done today. And what this was like will be posted on the images at the back at the end. Anyway, if you ever get to see this location, treat it with care and always take your rubbish home, so we don't have to do this great cleanup again. This is KARL-JAMES Langford for Archaeology.